Okay, good day once again. I will clearly discuss or para dili jud makuan, I will try to discuss again the primary division. So laktaw na to. Okay? So we are done with the blocking. So this is an example once again, the blocking kana makagipang sulat. So we will start with the blocking considering okay na ta. Then draw a line for numerator and denominator. So once you will solve. So place even all numbers fingers in the numerator. Meaning to say, just like I've discussed, the finger 2, finger 4, finger 6, finger 8, and finger 10 is for the numerator. There is a taas. And for the odd, which is the finger 1, finger 3, finger 5, finger 7, and finger 9, dinhi sa ubos. Okay, so let's start first with the numerator. So, sa numerator, imo na lang bantajan kung asa siya. Kay, sa numerator, it doesn't mean man kung unsa iyang value. Just look at the pattern. If that pattern belongs to the word family, then it has a value. But the value depends on what fingers. Kung asa siya na fingers makita. So, we have the finger 1 and the finger 7 na anay value na 16. The finger 3 and 4, it has a value of 8. The finger 5 and the finger 6 it has a value of 4. So, si finger 7 and finger 8 na siya value nga 2. And finger 9 and finger 10 na ay value na 1. Always remember, Jud, that only the word patterns or the word family has a value. So, for example, kani, plain arts, si finger 5, it has a value of 4. But, dili man siya plain word, so dili siya appeal. Dili ni mo siya tagan og value. Only the word lang gayod. So, for example, in finger 2, wala siya value, it's because it is a loop pattern. If it happens that it is a plain word, then it has a value of 16. Kay, mao may iyang value diri. But, there is atong blocking, it is a loop. So, it has no value at all. So, let's move to finger 4. Again, finger 4 is a loop pattern. Okay? So, meaning, it has no value na sab. Then next, we have the finger 6. Again, no value gihapon. So, 0. Ayaw mo kabiro kung wala man yung value ning akong mga finger. Wala. Pasag di. That's your pattern. That's your kuan. Pasag di, whatever is the result, that's okay. Wala man din na gilao nga dapat naadjud ko yung word. It's okay. So, let's move to, we are done with finger. Again na, this is the finger 2, finger 4, and the finger 6. So, next is the finger 8. So, finger 8 has an accidental pattern. So, it has a value. Why? It belongs to the word family. So, pila may value na finger 8? Kani, 2. So, 2. Other, plus. Then, last, we have finger 10. Ang pattern is word, so it has a value of 1. Plus, the pre-established nga 1. Mao to gilaw nga the arbitrary count. I mean the fraction. Sorry. So, the fraction. Then, let's move to the denominator. The denominator are those fingers that is odd or odd. Finger 1, 3, 5, 6, and 9. So, finger 1, it is a loop pattern. So, no value at all. 0 na sab. Finger 3, it is a double loop. So, it has a value of 8. Kay belong siya sa finger 3. So, 8. Plus, finger 5, another 5 nga bungkig, it is a plain art. So, no value at all. Then, finger 7, it is a central pocket loop. So, it has a value of 2. So, 2. Plus, last finger is finger 9. it is a loop pattern, so it has no value at all. So 0. Then the pre-established na 1. So you will add that 1. So wala man ni value, no value, no value, no value. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 over 8 plus 2, that's 10 plus 1 is 11. So pag ato ni siya i-solve into the primary classification, the result is 4 over 11. This is the primary classification result. Okay? Listen ha, listen lang. Only the whorl family. Then magdepende pod ang numerical value kung asa siya na finger. Ha? So si finger 1 and 2 naa siya numerical value na 16. Si finger 3 and 4 na ay numerical value na 8. Ano lang na siya? 16 divided by 2 is 8. So, meaning, si finger 5 ug 6, 8 divided by 2, 4. Mo na yung numerical value. Finger 7 and finger 8, it has numerical value of 2. Then, 9 and 10, ang iyang numerical value is 1. Regardless class, kung central pocket ba na, accidental ba na, double loop whorl ba na, o plain whorl ba na, regardless na siya kung asa, regardless kung unsa na siya, dinha, basta kay appeal siya sa whorl family na adunay value. Then, the value of the whorl family or the value of the whorl patterns depends on the fingers. Kung asan finger siya nabutang. So, muna yung value. Dili ka pwede, plain whorl, imo na kunig 16. No. Kung naa siya nakita sa imong left ring finger, so finger 10, dili siya pwede. So, magdepende dyan na siya always. Okay? So, that's it lang siguro. Kung napa ba ko'y nakalimtan, only the whorl lang gayud. After ni mo mag-blocking, then you solve it into primary division. Okay, that's all. Thank you.